You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this interesting word once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more similar words around similar related words, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. Cunnilingus. Let's break it down. Ka, na or ni, ka, na or ka, ni, ling, us. The stress is on the ling syllable. So cunnilingus, cunnilingus or cunnilingus. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Remember it. Listen carefully one last time. Cunnilingus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.